Alright, come on.
Okay. Okay.
Alright, well, you know, this is Abby, and I'm Lauren, you know. Yeah. So, how y'all doing?
Lauren.
Abby?
This is kind of gay.
Sure yeah.
Oh no, goodbye.
Oh my god.
This school's gay.
Yeah, it is. And, yeah, the school's pretty gay. And, you know, we're waiting for my mom to come pick us up after school. And it's about, you know, an hour. School's been out for about an hour.
Yeah.
And, we snuck into the band room.
And I need a bologna sandwich.
And Abby needs a bologna sandwich.
Yeah.
And we snuck into the band room, and Abby hid in there. And,
Can't tell the people.
oh crap.
Oh
no!
No! Pretend you didn't hear that!
You didn't hear anything? It's a game. We're just joking.
Hide and seek. Okay. Anyway.
I think we should go and do a tour of the portables.
Ew, portables are gay.
Those are the portables of our school. And
The ones that are left.
the ones that are left. And this is our school. That's the band room door. You know, it's pretty.
Ooh, do I get to be the little host?
Sure, be the...
Welcome to Abby and Lauren TV.
Dun, 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 dun,
No,
dun,
no,
dun,
no,
dun.
no. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, I need a microphone. Hold on. I have a phone in here. Fancy microphone. Check.
And yeah, so it's really windy outside today, and it's been a pretty crappy day.
Yeah. It's portable number 5, also known as
The Learning Lab. This is where the dumb people go when they need help with their classwork.
or the dumb people go because they gotta get out of class.
Or the dumb people because they want to get out of class. You know? Look, you can see inside. You can see inside.
Oh dang, oh dang, oh dang.
And girls' basketball practice is going on. You want to see what they do during their basketball practice or soccer? This is soccer. You want to see what they do during their soccer? That's what they do. They sit in there and do nothing. See? No. You see that? They do nothing. And now, mi madre is here. And we get to leave. Oh, yep, that's our school band trailer. You have to get the band trailer.
Yeah, watch. A bunch of creepy racists are gonna
The
come
best.
rape us.
Yes. Yeah, they are. Alright, well,